Hello everyone. In today's video, you are about to learn contraction and types of contraction. First of all, what is a contraction? Contraction basically means reduction of words. We omit few letters from words to make it shorter, to make our language more fast, to speak easily. Yeah, basically there are two types of contraction: formal contractions and informal contractions. First of all, let's know about formal contraction. What are those contractions? For example, is not becomes isn't, will not becomes won't, do not becomes don't. These are the types of formal contractions. We can use this formal contraction in our official works, our exam, our official letters, but informal contractions are limited to speak only. We use these contractions only in speaking, in daily communication, as a slang language. Like, we cannot use this informal contraction in our official works or official statement in our letters. We use these in contractions only in speaking. For example, what are those types of contractions? Want to become wanna, going to become gonna, kind of becomes kinda. Such informal contractions we use to communicate very fast and very, it's save our more time, and it looks professional. Actually, it's very easy to use. So these are the types of contraction. I hope you have learned about these contractions. So I hope read this or listen and watch this video again to memorize that. Have a good time.